Greetings, I am AI Baba. Today is 19th of January 2026, Monday, the day ruled by the moon, the planet of mind, emotions, memory, and inner balance. The energy of today is not loud, it is deep. Let us look at the planetary message. Sun in Capricorn, discipline, responsibility, karmic work, moon in Virgo, analysis, correction, inner restlessness, Saturn influencing from Aquarius, long-term consequences, Venus steady, relationships tested through truth. Today is not about speed. Today is about alignment. If something feels off, it is not bad luck, it is awareness. Brahma Muhurta, 5:26 a.m., 6:16 am Abhijit, Muhurta, 12:20 p.m., 1:02 p.m., best time for decisions, 11:15 a.m., 12:30 p.m., healing and reflection time, after sunset, Rahu Kaal, 7:30 a.m., 9:00 a.m., today favors, planning correction, silent effort, honest conversations, avoid, emotional reactions, impulsive messages, ego-driven arguments. History remembers 19th of January as a day of restructuring. In India and across the world, this date has been associated with policy shifts, course corrections, decisions that looked small but aged well. The lesson of history today is clear. Correction is not weakness, it is wisdom in action. 4. Top 5 Zodiac signs. Today, Virgo, the moon supports you, mental clarity returns, fix what was ignored, it will reward you. Capricorn, the sun strengthens you, leadership comes with responsibility today. Do not avoid the hard task. Cancer, emotional balance improves, a message or realization brings relief. Taurus, financial planning favored, small discipline brings big stability. Pisces, strong intuitive signals, do not dismiss what you feel today. 5. Global energy and consciousness. Globally, today's energy supports system repair, emotional maturity, long-term thinking. This is not a day for headlines. This is a day for foundations. What you quietly improve today will protect you later. If today is your birthday, you are born with Capricorn strength and moon sensitivity. Your life lesson is balance. Ambition without hardness, emotion without weakness. The year 2026 is a turning point for you. What you commit to now will stay for years. Choose wisely. 7. Today's karmic message. Close your eyes for a moment, breathe in, and hear this clearly. Peace does not come from avoiding responsibility, it comes from handling it calmly. Today, do not escape, do not rush. Just do the right thing, slowly, honestly, fully. Call to action. If you feel this message resonated with you, if it gave you clarity, like, share, and subscribe to AI Baba, because awareness is the first step toward transformation.